Happy Sunday. You all know where we're going. Gotta go get some coffee and then it's time to get the groceries. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while, but I'm not gonna go. It's cold out and I don't want to stand outside in line. We've been having to stand out in line all the time now with COVID and I'm just like, I don't want to stand outside. It's cold. So I'm just gonna go to Target. I'll probably be going to Target for a while until like all the Christmas or winter items start coming out to Trader Joe's. Might be an unpopular opinion, but I love their eggnog yogurt. It sounds gross, but it's really good. That was my favorite snack last year. I would eat the yogurt with a hard-boiled egg. So I ordered my coffee online. I gotta go pick it up and then we'll head to Target. It's funny because when I turn on my phone now, my phone knows where I'm going every Sunday. It tells me how many minutes it is to get to the coffee shop. So that's kind of funny. My phone knows me. It's kind of creepy actually. Alright, I'm gonna hurry up and do my grocery haul because this little one is waiting for her bone. Here's my haul. That's a little much, I know, but it was 10 for 10, so I decided to get 10 of those. Chicken broth, reduced sodium this time. I got the right kind. I got some Banza chickpea pasta, some ground turkey for my tacos, chicken sausage, Italian style, some center cut bacon. That'll be for my pasta dish I'm making. I needed some more coffee. They didn't have the maple pecan anymore of the Starbucks. I was a little sad. They've already moved on to Christmas. Goodbye fall, I guess. Some celery, carrots, some shredded lettuce for my tacos. I got a red potato. I was supposed to get a parsnip, but Target doesn't have weird vegetables like that, so I just went with a red potato. A shallot, a sweet potato. I got some pecorino romano cheese. I love this cheese. It adds so much flavor, and this is going with my pasta dish. I cannot wait. I absolutely love this cheese. I actually just tasted this for the first time with a Skinny Taste recipe like maybe a year or so ago, and now I'm obsessed. I got 10 of these Chobani flips. I'm gonna have one for snacks, and then obviously I'll have some left over probably for next week. I saw Siete brand taco seasoning. I've never tried it, so I'm gonna give it a try. I got some diced green chilies for my tacos, some thyme, rosemary, reduced fat mozzarella. I got some whipped cream for a recipe I'm going to make for a fun video. I got this for lunch today. It looked pretty good. It's pretty high in calories, but that's okay because I just had coffee for breakfast, so I'll work this into my calories. Bananas, and this is what I got Luna Bear. Dino chews. I'm hoping they last long enough. I like to give her a bone when I'm doing meal prep so she has something to do because she tends to whine and want something to do, so hopefully this will keep her busy for a little bit anyway. So yep, there is the haul. Alright, so I got distracted and have been procrastinating a little bit, so I haven't started meal prep. It's like noon, and I'm gonna eat lunch now, but that's okay. Luna literally chewed through her bone in like 5 minutes, so there went that idea. But I'm gonna eat my lunch quick and procrastinate a little more, and then we'll start with meal prep. Actually, I take that back. I think I'm gonna take Luna for a walk before I start meal prepping. I'm really procrastinating today, aren't I? But I'm gonna take her for a walk to hopefully tire her out a little bit, and then we'll start meal prep. It'll be a little late today, but that's all right. So another great NSV. These pants are like literally falling off of me. They're size 14 from Lane Bryant. So I gotta change pants. Otherwise, these are gonna really bother me when I'm walking. So I'm gonna put on some workout pants. So I'm really layered up. The wind chill is like 20 degrees right now and it's snowing. So I've got this, got my scarf on today. I have my gloves. I have 3 layers of shirts on, a sweatshirt, a long sleeve shirt, and a tank top, and then 2 pairs of pants. What am I gonna do when actual winter comes? I'm holding out because it's supposed to get up to almost 50 this week. So hopefully then the snow will all melt and we'll get our fall back. But I'm gonna guess it will be short-lived. But I'll enjoy it while it's here.
got up, something's wrong. I waited up, wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me.
Alright, I am done with meal prep. Here is the pumpkin pasta, and you guys, it smells so amazing. I can't wait to eat this. Here is the taco meat. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge like this and grab what I need as I make tacos throughout the week. The eggs, I just gotta give a couple more minutes, and then I'll put them in the ice bath. And then here is the fall veggie stew. It's gotta cook for a few more hours. On top are my pumpkin spiced smoothie packs. And then right here are 2 of the pumpkin pie parfait packs. I just put what I needed to make part of the parfait in there, and then I'll add ingredients as needed. I had tons of water left from last week, so I didn't need to buy any more. There's all my chobani, and then that faye is for the pumpkin pie parfaits. So we are good to go with meal prep. Kind of chilly in here. I need to turn on the fire. Are you a little chilly, Luna? So I'm all done with meal prep. I want to check to see where I am with calories, and I'll figure out what I'm going to have for dinner today. And I'm just going to relax for the rest of the night in front of the fire, maybe watch a movie or something.
Just to hear